Hi, hello, namaste. This is Race 3 tutorial, your Srinivas. Today, I am going to discuss a wonderful topic like what is that? Protista. Protista is one of the important kingdom of biological classification. So let's start Protista concept. It is a single cell eukaryote which is classified like what is that? 5 according to ancient syllabus. Like a very shortcut, I created one code that is ECDSP. E means euglenides, chrysophytes, and dinoflagellate, and slime mold, and protozoa. Let's start. The first one is euglenides. Euglenides shows plants and animal life structures. So we know the euglenides is present mainly fresh or stagnant water. So when the presence of sunlight, which we prepare food materials are there, hence it is called autotroph. If sunlight is absent at the time which it shows like what is that heterotroph. So this euglena complete mature stage starting before one stage is there, that stage name is palmella. At that time which is not showing movement, hence it is called immobile like structures are there. Because of which is not possess flagella. So after that palmella stage, yeah, like this complete euglena like structure is coming. It has two flagella. One is the large and another one is small. So both type of flagella are there, which is helpful like what is that motility purpose useful. Hence it is called like what is that heterocont. So this euglena is dividing mainly two parts, like anterior part and another one is posterior part. Right. So this euglena is covering by there is no pellicle. Instead of cell wall, pellicle is present. So it is a protein rich layer which is helpful like what is that flexible purpose very useful. So in anterior part, mainly three parts are there. One is a cytosome. Cytosome is nothing but cell mouth will call. And another one is canal-like structures are there. So hence it is called canal or gullet, that is called cytopharynx. It's very near. One more reservoir is present. There is a reservoir near. So see here drop-like structures are there. So that is eye spot or photosensitive signal. So which is looks like which color is this? Red color is there because of it process like what is that astaxanthin pigment is present. So what is the useful of eye spots? Euglena to stay near light purpose very useful. The next one more like what is that it consists contractile vacuole and accessory vacuole is present which is helpful like what is that osmoregulation. So this is the main structure like what is that euglena. Let's start the second type, chrysophytes. Chrysophytes. Chrysophytes is includes diatoms and golden algae. So diatoms is another name chief producers in the ocean. So golden algae is another name desmids in the ocean. So let's start the what is the structure of diatoms. Let's I'm going to discuss. To some example, I'm going to take diatom diagram. This is a chrysophytes only, diatoms only, which is covering by what is that, sir? How many layers are they? This is the outer layer name is called as what we call, epitheca. Inner layer name is called as what we call hypotheca. So both layer is called as cell wall. So cell wall is composed of what is that? Silica is present. It is looks like what is that, so but how it is present? Same by that only present. Then next after that. So what's our another name? So diatoms like chrysophytes are they? So in the jewels of plant kingdom and diatomaceous earth or girl and other names are they. So why they are calling jewels of plant kingdom? Because of the cell wall is very designed like silica is present. So hence it is called as jewels of plant. Jewelry shop like in that what we have available like gold and diamond. So in the same way silica also like somewhat shining is present. So that's why these are jewels of plant. After that, so this cell wall is composed of silica is there. So it is not just that billions of years, hence it is called like what is that? Diatomaceous earth or silica is present. So these chrysophytes are where it is present, sir, which is present like what is that? Fresh or marine water is present. And the sexual reproduction, which is takes the way what is that? Regimentary spores are this is also called as active oxospores. So what is the useful of this chrysophytes? It is mainly useful like what is that? Polishing purpose and filtration of oil purpose and syrup preparation purpose useful like what is that? Chrysophytes. So after the third one is like what is that? Dinoflagellate I'm going to discuss.